Microsoft 365 group is not just a group like other groups. It's kind of a next generation group and that you should use in your organization. But how? How it works? We'll find this in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about M365 groups specifically, and other three groups are equally important, but I will cover them in my next video. Just keep watching this channel, and tomorrow I will explain you about all other three groups: distribution list, dynamic distribution list, and mail enabled security group. How you can use, where you can use, I'll tell you the use cases, why these three groups are then important over the M365 group. But in this video, we will talk about M365 group. It's a kind of a next generation group. Microsoft 365 group is a cross application membership service in Microsoft 365. It integrates with the SharePoint team site. It's integrated with the SharePoint Exchange Mailbox, Planner, OneNote, and many more. It's also have access to Stream, Exchange Inbox, Calendar, Power BI, Planner, SharePoint team sites, and OneNote. So it's not just a group. You can also put the security, you can put the send as permission. A lot of things are there that you can use it in your organization. So you must watch this video till the end, and I will tell you how you can make that settings and where you will find those settings and make this work properly. You can create a M365 group from admin.microsoft.com. Also, you can create a same group from Exchange Admin Portal also, and from Azure Active Directory also. So I'll show you from the Admin Center how you can create a M365 group. You go here, Active Teams and Groups, and from here, it's written here M365 group, add group, create. This is also recommended by Microsoft. So I'll just create a group. I'll put the name M365 admin group. So we should know from which portal we have created this group. Add owner, I'll add myself as a owner, and yep, I add myself as owner. Next, I'll add the members who can manage this group, who can be the member of this group. I'll set myself, and I'll add just 2-3 users. Add. Next, and also put the email ID. What would be the email ID for this group? So I'll just add M365 admin group, same as I mentioned the name. Public and the private, it's basically public means anyone from our organization can join this group. Private means group owner has access, or he has the permission to add and remove any user from this group. So I'll set this as a private. And also, if you see here, I'm also creating a Teams channel from this group. So at the time when by the time this group is created, same time a team channel also created. So I'll click the next and create a group. So it will take a couple of seconds, and our group will be created also at the same time Teams channel also created. So I'll quickly, yep, this group is created. Then I'll show you some few settings, basic settings, and you'll see the same settings available in the managed user and the shared mailbox folder. Shared mailbox, you will see the similar settings. When you go to the members, you see the members and everything is available about the membership and permissions that you can manage from the Teams. And the same permission, the global address list. If you want to see this address in the global address list, send the copy to the Teams, the members, the group members, and do you want to allow external organization like from a Gmail, Hotmail, you want to send an email to this group or not. This and the private and public, the same thing. And then, yeah, these are the basic settings. But when you open the same group from the Exchange Admin Center, you will see the lot of options to make a changes. So I'll click here groups, and you will see the same options are here also. And when you click on this group, you will see the more options. From here you can manage a lot of things. This is like a basic settings, email, all these things. And the members, you will see the members who is the owner of this group and who are the member of this group. And when you go to the settings, same setting, hide group from the global address list, copy, and if you want external organizations can send email to this group or not. Public, private, And these two additional features or settings you can see from the Exchange Admin Center, that is how you can accept the messages from, like you can make the restrictions here, and the delegations who can send an email. I'll just put the one delegation to user 5. Just keep in mind that I'm setting the delegation for user 5, and I save this and go back, and I will show you more settings for this group. When you go to the teams, you can manage this teams channel from, or give more settings, or restrict something from a teams admin center. So this is the M365 group, and then I'll show you quickly, I'll show you how you will see in the teams. I'll open the teams, Microsoft Teams, and also I will start my Outlook, so you will see the M365 admin group. See, you can see the M365 admin group is created, and yeah, so group is created, and you also can send an email. See, when you are a member of this group, you can send an email or anything, or you can reply to the email, and you also can remove. And I'll just quickly show you a more power, yeah, and just change the text email, and I'll send, and that email should come here. Just give me a few seconds, and this email should be here in my inbox. Yep, that the email is coming here. So you can manage, like you can, all the members can send email or reply email likewise. And also you have a permission, send as permission also you can provide to the some users. They also can send an email from this group. So this is the beauty of this mailbox, where you can, it's kind of like, if I tell you the use case about the shared mailbox, this mailbox also act like a shared mailbox. You can send and receive, you can see the emails, and you can send an email from this mailbox to anyone, and this is act like a shared mailbox. And also, yeah, M365 group admin. And when you go here and see the manage team, and I'll go quickly, I'll show you here. SOAS and test user 1 is here, but if you remember, I also given the permission one test user 5 to send as a permission. That user is not listed. It means that user will not have access to the Teams channel, and also he will not able to see the emails in the Outlook profile. So he only able to send an email from that mailbox. So you can make a permission accordingly, you know, as per your requirement. You can set a permission for a few users. They can just send an email from that group, but they cannot see the email. So in that situation, you can do that. And also I will show you from Exchange admin, you also create a same group from here. Also the same things are there, same settings you will see, and you can create a group from here also. But I will tell you one interesting thing. When you create a M365 group from the Teams channel, here you have an option to create a Teams, and I'll create a Teams, and I'll just do this from the scratch, and I'll create a private Teams, and I'll give you the name M365 from Teams. Okay, and I'll create, and also I give the permission. Okay, great work. And also I will add the member, like power admin, this group is there, then all. Okay, and I'll just add this 2 users here as a member, and close. And if you see, I've created a M365 team group from the Teams, and when you go here and also refresh this, and you will see that option is here, M365 Teams, and the same settings, no changes. Let that load properly. Okay, and go to the members, and you see the members power is here. Okay, and management. Okay, so it took some time. Okay, so these 3 users has a member. Now I'll show you what is the difference. Now let me open my Outlook, and I'll just quickly restart my Outlook, so it should not be there problem. Okay, I've restarted my Outlook, and you clearly see I only see the M365 admin group, that the group that I've created from the admin portal. But whenever you create a group from Teams channel, that group is not visible here. right? And it is a by default, it's disable, it's invisible by default, but you can make this appear here by running one exchange command. And you need to do this through the PowerShell. You need to make this happen. In M365 organization, all user has a permission to create a Teams channel in the Microsoft Teams. Through the Microsoft Teams, everyone can create the Teams channels, and that will create a group here, right? So the problem is it's become a very hectic, or it's very difficult to manage. Like from the IT perspective, it's very difficult to manage why this and who created this user, and unnecessarily end users create a group. So also there is a way you can restrict the all users in your organization from from stopping them to creating a M365 group. They cannot create a Teams channel from here, and you can restrict that. And there is also the PowerShell command. If you know that more about that and how you can do, or how you can restrict the all users from creating a group, please let me know, or please let me know in a comment section, and I will create another video how you can connect the Exchange Online and how you can run that command. It's a very small process, but I will create a separate video for that. Also, when you create this Teams group, you can see when you open here, and there is an option you can open the Teams, and also you can view the site where the SharePoint site is already by default, it's created for this group. And you can have a document, you can upload the document and share with your team members, and use them. You can share this document with your team members. So this is the good feature. And you also see the notebook is also available. And also, when you go to the Outlook, let me open my Outlook and I will quickly show you. Yeah, when you go to the Outlook here, also there is also options are there. You can click those sites, and you will open this from the Outlook. Also notebook is also there. These are the good feature from M365 group you will use. But see, it's almost it depends on the use cases, how and when you required. It's yes, it comes with the practice when you want to create a M365 group. Still, Microsoft is recommending M365 group, but you need to know how you can manage proactively or productively, how you can manage this group, and whenever is necessary, how you can restrict the user from seeing the data unnecessarily. You don't want to show them everything like a SharePoint or a OneNote access or a notebook access, right? You don't want to give them access unnecessarily. So you need to know how you can tweak these settings and everything. So always just create a one test M365 group in your organization, or you are in a test environment. Play with it, all the settings. Just make sure that all the users, how they are accessing, how you can restrict the particular user. And yeah, this is the way you are going to learn M365 group, because this group has a lot of functionality, a lot of feature, a lot of settings that you can tweak, and you can make it a productively. And you can instead of creating a distribution or a security distribution group or a DL, you can easily replace these three groups with the M365 group, rather than creating different groups for the same purpose. So yeah, so play with this in your organization, in your development environment. And let me know if you have any questions. If there is any settings, anything I'm missing from this video, please let me know. I will try to improve, and it will help in the future for all users also. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.